Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. And for today's episode, I'm going to make a Valentine's Day centerpiece. Before we get any further, I just want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel for a variety of DIY projects. I will start by letting you know the things that you're gonna need. I may make this over a couple of days, but just go ahead and get started on it. So everything is gonna come from Dollar Tree. So I wanted to make something that was budget friendly. You are gonna need flowers. At the Dollar Tree, they had these glitter hearts. So I'm gonna use 2 of these. I'm gonna use a paper towel holder, 2 circle floral foams. I wanna make 2 candle holders on the side. So I got these candle holder jars here. And then I got also these little candle holders here to build up my candle holder like this. Also, I saw these really cute pink and red, what are they? Table scatter. I want to use these in my jars for decoration. Then also you're going to need E6000, maybe some scissors, wire cutter, and your hot glue gun. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I made my centerpiece without any embellishments, so feel free to embellish it here in the middle section to cover this if you like. Maybe you might want to put some ribbon around this border. You can add like some gems to it or anything you like. So just feel free to fancy it up, but I'm just gonna keep mine the way it is. I do love the 2 hearts in the middle. I think that fits with this centerpiece. And instead of making candles, I remembered that I had these candle holders and I decided to go with this. So when I do my setup, or you probably already know, you're gonna see it in the intro and the outro. So this is my creation for Valentine's Day. Please tell me what you think of it. Comment below, share my video. And if you have not yet had the chance to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. I thank you so much for joining me. Until I see you next time, bye.